Do you want to become a web developer? That's great, but what next? Web development generally fits into distinct concentrations. You can choose between becoming a front-end developer who specializes in building responsive, dynamic websites and applications, and back-end developer who works with servers and databases and is primarily charged with making a website functional and secure. Someone said back-end developing is like being a mathematician, while front-end developing is more like being an artist. But you can also become a full-stack developer who oversees all aspects of a project. Whichever path you choose, all you need is motivation and time. But let's find out what is front-end development and why are front-end developers so high in demand. Front-end web development is everything connected with programming the user interface of a web app. While a web designer creates a website's look, front-end developer implements that design on the web. Front-end development is a great way to start your path into the world of coding. Typically, it refers to the hypertext markup language (HTML) that defines the structure of the web page. CSS or cascading style sheets that is responsible for the visual part. CSS specifies how HTML elements should look, and JavaScript a programming language that could be a window to the world of web development. With JavaScript, you'll be able to create desktop, backend, and even mobile applications. It is also important for a front-end developer to learn front-end frameworks, JavaScript libraries, responsive web design, Git and version control systems, and be familiar with testing and debugging. Make friends with Stack Overflow and Google, as in the majority of cases it is the fastest way to find the best solution to the problem. Web development is about learning all the time, but demand for front-end developers is extremely high and continues to rise. Practically every organization in existence is online, making the position of front-end developer extremely popular. And as a front-end developer, you can work almost anywhere, limited only by the availability of an internet connection. It could be a great choice to start exploring new career opportunities and challenges. If you want to get more information, click the link under this video and enroll in a course. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.